everyone, this is Kritika from Amadivanta Studio. I started my food venture 1 year ago in the Netherlands. Due to the encouragement from family and friends, I thought I'll start my own YouTube channel today. I'm presenting to you the most sought after and tasty South Indian sweet dish, which is the Moong Dal Payasam. The ingredients for the payasam are moong dal, jaggery, ghee, cardamom, coconut bits, cashew nuts, salt, and now we require some coconut milk, full fat milk and some water. Let's start making the moong dal payasam now. So first for that we'll have to roast the moong dal. So I have 1 cup of moong dal. Let's start now roasting the dal. We're looking at a very light golden color. While the moong dal is getting roasted, let us start making the jaggery syrup by then. So for that I will need a small pan. And for 1 cup of moong dal, I am adding 1.5 cups of jaggery. Now we will have to add a little bit of water to get a nice consistency of the jaggery syrup. For that, I am adding 1.5 cups of water. Do not worry if it becomes a bit watery, we can adjust it later. Now our moong dal is roasted to the desired color and I think even our jaggery is almost done, jaggery syrup. The reason we do this jaggery syrup is because, if the jaggery has some kind of impurities, we can get rid of that by straining it and adding it to the payasam later. This is exactly how I want the moong dal to be roasted. Now we will have to wash our moong dal. You can wash it twice. I have washed the moong dal twice, strain out the excess water, and this is our moong dal now ready to be cooked. Now to start making the payasam, we will have to cook the moong dal. Many of them prefer cooking the moong dal with just water, but I prefer cooking it with full fat milk because that really gives a very nice consistency to the payasam and also it enhances the taste of the payasam. Now this is 250 ml of milk and about 250 ml of water. I have used open cooking method to cook the dal. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the dal to get cooked. But if you feel you don't have the time, you can pressure cook it for 2 whistles. A little over 15 minutes now. So let us check if our dal is cooked. Yeah, it's about 80% cooked and now is the time that we have to add the jaggery syrup into this and cook it. So now to strain. You can see the impurities from the jaggery. Nowadays we get high grade jaggery, in which case you can avoid doing this step. But it is always advisable to follow this step just to be on the safer side. To this we add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. After you have added the cardamom powder, add a pinch of salt and give it a good stir. We have to start roasting the coconut bits and the cashew nuts. some ghee. To this, let us add the coconut bits. And fry them until it's done. The coconut bits are almost done. Now let us add the cashew nuts and fry them a bit. It's time we add the coconut bits and the cashew nuts to the payasam. Once you have added the coconut bits and the cashew nuts, give it a good stir. Reduce the flame to low. Now we have to add the coconut milk. I have used the thick coconut milk, that is the first squeeze from the ground coconut. You can also use coconut powder. Maggi coconut powder gives a very good flavor. Since I have taken 250 ml coconut milk, to get this, you will have to use 3 teaspoons of Maggi coconut powder. Mix it with 1 cup warm water. And this will give you the same thick milk, just like the fresh coconut squeeze. Give it a good mix. As the coconut milk starts warming, the payasam will come to the right consistency. Keep in mind that the flame should be at low while stirring, else there is a chance that the coconut milk will curdle. Check for the consistency. If this is what you're looking at, then that's fine. If you want it a little more runny, then you can add a little more coconut milk mixed with the water, and then again boil it for another 2 minutes. Yeah. So our payasam is ready. Let's serve the payasam for you. Here you go. The delicious moong dal payasam is ready. I'm very happy with the way the payasam has turned out. I would recommend you try this at home, and please do leave your feedback and suggestion in the comments box below. See you soon with another awesome recipe. Few tips. First thing is that do not overcook your moong dal. Otherwise your payasam will become very mushy and it does not taste good. Second thing, you can decide which jaggery you want to use, the light color or the dark color. Do not worry if you're using the dark color of the jaggery, because we are anyways adding the coconut milk and the color will mellow down. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages.